Welcome to Golden Software's demonstration video for Didger 5 Part 2. In this part of the demonstration, I will be covering the topic of importing vector and data files. You can import many different types of vector and data files into Didger. For example, you can import vector data in the form of an Esri shapefile, AutoCAD DXF files, and MapInfo MIF files. You can import many different types of data files, including Excel spreadsheets and ASC2 text files. To import a vector file into a Didger project, go to File, Import. In the Import dialog, select the vector file that you would like to import. In this case, an AutoCAD DXF file named usstates50.dxf. Click Open to import the vector file. In the DXF Import Options dialog, click OK to import the file with the default options. In the Assign Coordinate System dialog box, choose the projected coordinate system if the file you are importing has a projection to it. Then specify the appropriate category, system, and datum. For this case, I will set the coordinate space type to projected coordinates. In the window to select a projected coordinate system, navigate to Predefined, Geographic Lat/Lon, World Geodetic System 1984. Select the coordinate system you would like to use. Click OK and the DXF vector file is imported. Importing data points into a Didger project is just as easy. To import a data file into this existing project, go to File, Import. In the Import dialog, select the data file that you would like to import and click Open. The Import Data File dialog box that appears asks you questions about your data. If the data file has a header row with the name of the data variables, then check the box that says Field Name from First Row. If you want to create a post map, check Create Post Map. A post map will combine all of the points in the data file into a single entity or object that has the same point properties. This is useful if you are importing a data file with thousands of points solely for the sake of changing their projection. If you just want to display this point data over other point data, then you most likely do not need to select this checkbox. I will check the box to create post map. Specify which fields contain the x-coordinate and y-coordinate data. In this case, the longitude and latitude coordinates respectively. Specify any other fields that you would like to use as an ID field in the fields primary, secondary, etc. For the primary field, select City to display the city name next to each post location. Click Import to display the city locations as a post map. In the Assign Coordinate System dialog, you will need to specify the coordinate system for the x and y coordinates from the data file. If the data has a projection, choose Projected Coordinates. Then choose the appropriate projected coordinate system. For this dataset, we will also apply a latitude and longitude coordinate system. In the window to select a projected coordinate system, navigate to Predefined, Geographic Lat/Lon, World Geodetic System 1984. Click OK to import the data with the selected coordinate system. The post map of the Colorado City locations will display on the map at their defined locations. Once the data points have been imported to your Didger project, you can select the post layer in the Data Manager. Select the post layer in the Data Manager and the Property Manager will display the symbol properties for that layer. Here you can set the symbol, symbol set, fill color, fill opacity, line color, line opacity, and the size of your post symbol. You will see the symbol properties change immediately when you make changes in the Property Manager. To view the final display of your map in Didger, click Edit, Deselect All to remove any selection windows that are obscuring your image. This concludes my demonstration of importing and displaying vector and data files in Didger 5.